tia me bono. Hina me mu afri baba. Mu afri awrate. Sunia sasiafo. Mama unai enwachiri. Ye ohwe wo no ontonko. Hwede ye ohwe Israel no ontonko.
Omenkoni enkoje safo anumra. Yin peli pangu heaven. I was a Jesus say odoso ahini safo an be mai. Anti ewie mpa no yesaka. To asem no bo se pia to heaven. Ti Awurade Israel. Ti mo me mpa. Osunsu Nyankopon ani mo nyam nkan. Kwaya wona mu tumi wo honhom no wadon ye so boaye no. Ye da wase. Awurade mo bro hurunti, odi akwa na de aba. Kwai bi edi boy betima fa so de ye ho to ya ho de so se. Ti ayi ti hayi, e suku bi. Ye doctor bi. Ye duane pa bi. Kas papa bi. Ana se ejina bi na dia beduru hasabri. Ahumobro. Ti be srawo. Ahumobro no. De ti daso. Ebe ka kra bi hu ni pamobo bi. Be so ma ye hu sa. Ni ye hu mra wa so sa to. Ye fa nwana ni ye kra nkwa. O de bonye ni wo nyefe. To se mra me bo dawuro nkyeraf. Waji tum no jidia, obenya ni tie didim. Se wan tie, wanya so antia. Obekogem. No wasem so obetio, on tio ye mra me kankran. Na yeda ya so wan tie no odu asama do jebu ho. Ane bonsam jebu ho a, ne wo sofa. Na hodim na dene eda so wo de ko so. Ebe ka kire ne se wo ti da wubo no. O ti da wubo no. Na wono akasa na kono poni di suba mponi nti ana wa mpese obeti. Ti na be srese akoma ne adwiri mbebi na wa ma ya so. Yedi tie wu Nyankopon asem. Adi asra kan me Nyankopon be ne se watie me. E wo Jesus Christ to demunti. Wamente amen.
Amen.
Ya pase kasafa ade ba ko. Ehun na e wo nsori mu ne. And someone, I saw him young tank of Mossam. Now, so, oh, now you are doing about them now. Free ticket, that was Sabri. Now, I had to us all. The city Tuga will be after the once. Sai Samono, and Asamabo. Hey, oh, the one time TB was a one, sorry. I'm a tale. Why are you? Obeka Sydney. Why we are because ni pa bi awu a okonya nkopon nchen akonya ahoto bra kira de bedu nyankopon che se kim na ruade adarete no aha ana utusu ye wasase so ndi kona kokotu so ba wi asero bo obra yi a wo sakra wo de fa Yesu se okra no age nkwa wo tie da ubo na ye bo no e bo wura na ye be bo na samyam da do shiri nsamu Wutimi fa de se wo wurade wo ka obo na kire da ne firi ho wan koye biem na wo to nsafere se o metewa kuma na fore bo na se nua no so o ma wunya mu chefa bi wo ntwere wo din hye ne nkwa ngba ni wo fa de moja ne nware wa firi ho wan koye bo ne biem waje wo wajase sa se mu emre bia me ka o waje wo sikatue ni ega university lecturers nko a se mu mra na mu na mu nima de amenyemo ebi wa training sama mo obi a ba put the friend or come in some James Street. There is no way out. And now ya pasa wo ba Yesu mo na wu a utimi pie bia friend paradise uru so obi a wa sacrifice Yesu no kure mu bia no na ni kabusu ne abofo na be fa no Luke chapter 16 verse 22 to 23 abetiase abofo be fa wako obi wu nsanumu wi mu koro no mu nyinsa yiguo mu ayakam etrum subam poni mu no na ni kabusu apɛ okwa samado so what I say enti be pasa ende ni pagina ni bo mu hoso be pasa nda mi nyanga de tsira samadum e ho na mesre ye nua no asofo ne se won't train some way, you won't tank some for her. The kind of deep one can send me saying that we in a deep, and it's not good. Almost sure. Coefficients for what? Was it Abdullah or the mind for the edification of the church? What the mind said the bay, the mass sorry not tumpo. I saw the tumpo church, a bema sorry near secret yes, you will heaven. Because what's what I come? So couldn't call you anymore. You would have moved man away. What I know, Mekan. So your prophet, that's all for us, so and one. So why did you know that you pound Cassam for Trey? Papa, what failure? They have a betrayal. There's a wood of you man away. Last minute, I could put a chance for heaven. Cause you confess Corinthians 3. Paul, catch a man for say, careful. Philip, Timothy, Adriano, you may know. Also, do be a new mother. The Fajim. It's all the Globia, and I extra, and I breath, and I say, dear Biake, at 2 years to fap them also. Once some can, and you may be a fan, quite a concroya. A yesterday wood and a diguso, a Fajim a best. Ubehuna man papa o prophet and so forth to never pass we know many papa so yan ka sam fast na mo fi say dey ara wa for mari bi bewu hino me kwa kopi ti asana do no ye nya daje wo ene me mpesa be kokese me mpesa be kokese na ye nya daje wa asana do oni mbie bi ensem mu kaka na ni pantiase ebi adebonye fuwu a omoko ti ye ka kire ni wie na o se an wo pe apetese glass ba ko penti obannom na akoto sa abia fa ya wi ho ye zafiri ni moja ho ye ni ni asam na de mebi sam ka o problem 22:3 ne se na ni atede ya ko be huru de di na ni ma eba o de ho hinta o pia na ni mi ye ne de o fam ko nya so twen what you say nti ye ka so obi na ni ate a ni obi a ko school what you say o za ne ma ni abre na me kasa ho asem e kan ho asem ye ka obi na ni ate a wo ye wise person enye wo hene what you say enye president o ya MP ya DC ya ana MC ya director of education obi na ni ate edi obi o hunu se de me ye me kwa asama do nti be twele ho. What does it? The Bible proof we. Young Kawansa, Proverbs 22:3. Who is a wise person? School. Education doesn't give wisdom, but it gives knowledge. And Madam Diakake, who's a Dianko and Yan Sanko? Baby, you are so quantity in a far back to us. Is your friend A and your knowledge? And India, Yan San. What does it? As a computer answer. Yes, where your friend keyboard, where your friend mouse, where your monitor. Jimmy away, me away, and India can answer. The attack, Nimdia, and free machine, you can answer and free machine. Nimdia and machine at them. The education doesn't give wisdom. And it's all just about Costco anymore. Into when you are Tiama. So when you are Tia, Cabrama over, and you come on some Jim to be who. What that you feel? To the Solomon. Why can the near BS Solomon? What's the point in answer? Apart from Yeshi. Point power, who is the most wisest person? Now go for my Yansa. I mean, I get at the mamma. Now I am a Yasa, Chile or Tobo Nimun. No, the Yansan is Yabo some die. Or Yasa. They say about trail. Proverbs 22:3.
Proverbs 23.
You hear Yansa. I had not a pump before. Then cost it. Only to phone one year. They are near Tiano. Who born near the back.
What in we?
What in who see?
None to quite for them. We are searching.
They are near Tiano. Who did the name? Who's a Yansa? It will be a whom they are dead in him. The watching home. Yes, Uncle James 3. Who is a wise person? Yes, say no him for. You be ministers so. You be lecturers so. You be teachers so. You be doctors so. And you be who will be about degree. Let's check. James 3 verse 13.
James chapter 3 verse 13. Why
now sit me at 10? Maninfa obraben abrabo papa one ka certificate one ka hensam one ka graduate degree nkan one ka me MP one ka me president maninfa bra papa nyere
minima ojo aye
dey ntin o kansa because e abrabo papa kronkron ye na de ne tra abanihunu gya e na koto heaven dan sabe breba wo su wo da hu sa wo su nimu nyina chi no a ma egugu no for so ma you are rushing for women also when you atia bro so e mai mu nyina ya frewa de nipa hu no se wo ye onitifo e de ba nitia nyansa ba ya nyansa de nipa ko bo nsam je de sa no ye nyansa wo ya hu nya bia no wani ate what did Uncle Paul catch ko bi sa Luke 12 kai ho kakra verse 16 down Ajapade express we ni ate.
Oh dabi.
Obi na ni ate. Nya certificate asama. Ni school kase. Eni so obi wo se fa bra papa yere. Mu hu na enya nsafo. Eni nimdifo. Wo mfa bra papa yere. Enche. Sa bra bo papa no. Eyi na fi asama do. Ya making kai. Ya na koto heaven. Eni friends na ni ate. Wo hu se eje eba. Wo timi nya nyansa kwa bi jampo tere jam. Na timi dodge jam. Na wo ntimi antomu a and the first one year be pa. Na Japan never be chino. Na fair. Wabra what do could jibu handia. Na and for Sobia, Maswa man were Japan school cake baby have a coin certificate of pali. And die the cast ya the demu. Unya wua. Sitting in a would panic or to Jim. Na uko to Jim money who Jim forever and ever. Let's say Japan won't fight a mutai, card or ties, remember open pool and qua. Any young couple for so papa. I said, no, didn't play. I look.
Luke chapter 12, verse 16. Was no boom better.
A babu. Maybe I'm a cow. Yes. You boo bear, only Yanson, I want to ask you. Uncle. Was only Pabby already for us. Only Pabby. Sicanibia has a swabber. Was so soon himself. Trimono. Many day. If it's a minute, nobody. And I'm your boga, calcium, dear Banamone. She died the fear, Messi, the Majapa de Moniate. But there was all your coincidence. Orisa. What do you so? So I saw the crab a qua. I fear seeing the defense. Who do you go about was a better name? As a woman, or near man, why you know yourself, say, what did Bonico could to your Christodia? And you think you are wise. Kako.
If it's a minimum,
you're okay, Cano, my Japa, dear Dorso. I was saying, the name the garage and acquired my new baby, I'm a pocket. No, say. The million, make you must give you some Messiah. What am I doing? Not buying it is see who we are. I'm a crazy getting in our banks. I can't tell me crass or cry. Who am I puppy or just amount? We young Quadio, and you my puppy or near my. No, dear shit. I'm out free ship. I'm free ship every what's one got free ship now? The BP. The Pinisia. They don't have a trouble. Yanko.
What's it? Home. Didi.
Sado catcher the crowd. Home. Didi. No. Now Buntoy. And Uncle Catcher said. Uncle Catcher said. Opasia. Sanity. And a geometric craft. There's a young Saint Fred Japadi. Sanity. If you are Japadi, your friend was here. The also nipa. Your transit. We have to be near me. Young Passamado. Quasaya. So what you free to be away with dear? One copy a higher. And a friend, a wise person. Cause a jabba, a man who did double. Now, what did me try? I thought I be sweating my dodgy Janoa. Presidency for Tigum, ministers for me Tigum. I am for me Tigum, the particular Cassandra with Tigum. Now, go to me gorgeous head away. When I a wise person. Isaiah 5, verse 14.
Isaiah 5, verse 14. Or say, and the Asama Batena Kus and Namen Conicasio. Asama water, na konum na hana num baya
ahana num bayao
na kuro no ani monyamfo
kuro ni monyamfo
ani nipa dodo
ministers na ha chami for the country the double
ani nipa dodo ani nipa dom
toba kasa ho
ani wona ni kamu
obo mani kamu sanako what I say asama do atene du twi nipa gum fine baye twa asama do kakra na esa asama do de ope e de se obetwi nipa awuram
yes
fine
na
kono de no wo bi ani fufuo on de ni nipa
yes
so obegye nipa ko ne nchen na okomo ma hwetwen ya mane sa asama do wo ye spirit o wo ye honhom esa ye bia bi tienie eye honhom esa ye bia bi ya oni owuo na ye adwuma bom o ti ase nti owuo nkonsan asama do enti nipa so odi kamusu ye ka se wawu se kika se boni mu na wu ya uti woni ana asama do na ada Revelation 6:8
Revelation chapter 6
wodi ewuo ne ye adwuma
ayi osina mi huni na hwe opon konso
bi ni
na de otene so
ensado no bi no de otene so na efe no owu
na asama
do na chi
na wo mo na asama bu pen na mu etumi
how ahudo bi e ba wi asama we no the picture ewu ni asama do they work together Revelation 20 verse 15 ma hedo 20 verse 40 Revelation 20:14 a person the picture asama do tell so what now pa na here akọ we obia dina me kanyam samwa ye die bible rum ne e kama asem kire na so ni mbedi achi ni a me mfa ho ya ka kire o pa no here wafa because last minute who ko sia sadem
ebeba
antu si eni ho a transe na beko se wo de ogidi ano so ohun owu o se ba na ho adi na chi minister convoy V8
asamado
to sa asamado ni ho a o the transit Revelation 20:14
Revelation chapter 20 verse 40 what is na otu owu eni asamado chi wo jata
o se owu ro ko ya asamado su ni chi otu owu ni asamado egu jata bi so ta se di asamiyo na salma asamado ho ebra bro sabu hwe ase no ho ni yankopon to ro twene mu di asem yo nti ye beti maka no kwan bi so se asana ado no yankopon niema antene e wo nanim e ho no ko hwie gu ye se ye prafie ni yi bia bi si ho na sa bia no ye hwie ye niema e tai egu a sa bia ho ye pre o sen bola je beti makasa asama bi yankopon bola atantania e kwese egu heavy hu fi no wa bo o manu egu o ta se o nyam fa jantum e ho no wo boa no gu ho a te se de ekuani boa wura no e sa na kire be tagi atum no sa na te wo boa no gu ho for some time we asama do we no is different from hellfire hell and hellfire so ye dem asamado ene bonsam ja so ye dem asamado hell no it's not the same as the lake of fire hell home asamado ho de friend hell no eye sunsumu remand what I say eye remand e ka say remand them say police for the better term that's it e ka say remand do be police custody na kira say eni na sem ye na to kaka asaba papa idi abaidi e mo ntwen so te bo mfa ni sie entwen kaka na ye hwehwemu na kire ye di na sem no di fa ye na koto sai sana ye jeli no so akase enti hebe ho do bi obedi kwase asem bia na nyabe da be wura hell ho Onyam fa no ko judgment time. Ti asemi yo. Na hell ho ya na bebre ni mu se free this ho benya ai short time biru mu se ho e to fa drive so e be twa wo mfo nyin pese be kere ho be ya ho no e de honhom no o modwuma mo ye no ho enti adi sibiano yankopo yi se pa no de be wura hell onyan tan na temu akonya no so enti onyan fa nko hell fire that is the lake of fire onyan fa nko ho remand de non poke keno e be kero se de hope for university fine enti wo to bro nsam twere yam e ho ana ode kokko sey enti onyan fa bro nsam ko to hell fire we ho enti one ni agents no bo nsam na pamfo no e ho no sesi omo to bu free ho no me omo operations what the point na say kwa Isaiah the prophet Isaiah shall come ye be trusia de ba be sisi computer am what de me bi ase ya de person me pinpoint amanfo mo mti ase say sabia ho no nyankopon anya manipa nti nipa mbeki attempt say obekọ banyansa to abrabo ba bi Satan no ekoda no any demons guru wo be wu akoto hobi nipa ruade ma unyansa wate me ke kama ba betu ne be bi ase se na me nkokese be heda de no atofom ama kola betu de mpesa mtrase me point is ruade mo be no me ntimi nkyem na won tiase so won tiase wiye na so be kọ akọ pia foso ko pie ho wo hunu unyansa ye de wo wi Isaiah chapter 14 yeah first from verse 9 to 15 yentem
Isaiah chapter 14 verse 9
na ra ka no so me
o se sama do wa se kan ho be sia
sama do wa se no e be sia wo ba
anya nsamanfo mu ma
wo wo no me ba so anya nsamanfo mu ma
asase so akunu ni nyina
demons obo ye adwuma wo asama do ho yes asama do hell no mo ye adwuma e be sa asamanfo bobo mu di anya nsamanfo ma wo asase so ko yo hero chami o continue president o mu nim ya ho na ade ahensam no ko o ha no abo obra yi woji Yesu dia wajja mpo asama do uko paradise patase tino o se de ojibidi o twama fi owuom konkom wa koroso beria no eko tina me ya abre di Yesu kira wo no papa I'm telling you so you mistake not today what you mean for Christ na won papa ya kamuswa me describe o wode bon sabu ko nya chafa e woni danu ko na nipa o common sense be kira wade te Yesu kasa wo so de o wa so no nyere udi to aso
o se emama na mahimfo
nyina so so mu nkonya
won nyina je so ka chawo sa
ba fori nyina je so ka chawo sa
wa wo jo say
o ba ha
why say na ape
to wo kunyini ne ya sasa ya so wa pakam usi abonten wo nante akọ mako na te bosom bandima nsakra dawuro bebreba ko for boy to bibi te man to wadiri man to so se wo bewu brebi ya me kase nkonya ministers presidents kings queens ahemfo ne ahemafo ne leader bia wa asase we so now no akonya wote so obi atena so am yatu either se owu ne tu ana se company ne pamo bebre ne ensama nkonya especially ahemfo de yam to gina ho se wo nipa na wo be si na nan ene o hifa wo so bako ye trew ho wan ka se ni nim de Yesu mpati no the Matthew 24 ho verse 12 down kosi 14 ho wo se e be dia mana manyina danse ye be kira mana manyina gospel no beko na nyame adum internet ni YouTube no na Facebook no na ba no radio stations aba no ensem no content am no na dia danse na Yesu tara konya no so a obi ameka se Yesu na ante o sewade o mani panyansa ka koma mhade
won nyina je so ka
the pressure yakupon tobon sambra o mane ho so no odna ko hye no odna pamfo enko ho wat papa don't make any mistake of getting to hellfire and hell don't make any mistake ti ma men je ha kakra mi tiase hell ya kan o ze medika ka say any hellfire so so yedda so da ho hell ha da ho remand kusisi ebedi wasep oba wiase de ntina ogba adwaman de ntina awensa de ntina onyi se ko YouTube de ntina na obi aka deɛ ntina ɔte adwuma mu na ɔbɔ adwuma mu nkɔrɔ no deɛ ntina wodi bɔ no wampɛ yesu ɔkyerɛ kwan wobɛtɔre mu wonia no yi because yesu ma long years many years wɔntimi amfa nsakra didi asɛm na amaka na wɔntimi nka sɛ yesu ɛɛden na mantimi yɛmma ɛɛden no obi atimi meki obi atimi ahwiri atra bɔne akɔgye yesu adi nti wo deɛ wowo firi bɔn bɛm deɛ wo deɛ wontimi nsakra fine nti ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔbɛka asɛm ante ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔbɛte saa asɛm so wata aseɛ nti hɛn hɔ a woda no sɛ yesu ba osane na temmo ta no duru Revelation 20 verse 11 and 12 ewufo nketo ne akase yesu tena konwa no so no wo se obuabu yanguma mu ha o trans takro charity nti ni paro ba nanimu a already wudi for dada ye do koto hell nti afa ne ye do ba koto hell fire disesi ade ode bonye ni wu a okọ asama no okotwen okoda mani hunu nsi pempem from no town betum now obi owu bonu mu bia no or the hell now o ta sam na se ha ti yesu ba do bu atenwi a wo so de atemu na se oba ne nsa ha obu atenwi a afena na o de wo kwa akoto hell fire. That is the lake of fire. That is the final destination for sinners. Into from hell to hell fire, from frying pan to fire itself. But we know. To the issue who had the boy for was some who said, and I come was a moon coming on because the Obama will be a second. And moon works, moon coming on. The boy is to see me a number, as a bonnet. Papa to what that's a ring, sir. That's soon we, oh dear, Mamma. When you come to be seeing and so you watch. Don't pay you. What does it? The sea is all right, my boy. Who can I one? Be unfound. Right. The brother do right in the base city and Yaguma. Fanyan Sawat. Kako.
When I just cut ourselves.
What would you know about this? What cut ourselves? Who's for who you say it happened?
Because you asked about some of
them out a metro. Baba.
Yasoma ma ko kum nipa obegiska yasoma ma ko bu nipa bi prepare no obegiska o so say o nzo be hojo say ah no abaha ye be kire onyansa to aso yenko
so kasi asana ba sama
kasi aba sama o mental ne nso wa mo to ko hwinwum no wa seketa wa sama wo ene mo brika
na so
nkata so ne nso hey ho no ni be twam fu na kire kako
o say e yede na ofri so ahwiase
bronsan na aza ye busan sa Satan e yede na ofri so ahwiase
nsoro masremfo o say
o ba o me se bronsan ho otan no nya ne kore o Satan o say ho so ho de fe Lucifer o ba hwe Hannah ye di Satan ma no kwa fa zo ndi change ye ne de o de nipa o ba obra yi ai ma odin o suba so nya ai ma odin fofo ti wọ́n sẹ́yìn sọ́rọ́ máa di ẹ̀yìn sọ́rọ́ yẹn fò adé tiẹ̀ bá
wọ́n twẹ́
ahwẹ́ fọ́m
wà brẹ́ amanaman ase na wọ́n deɛ wọ́n kan wọ́n kọ́ mọ̀ mu sẹ́ wọ́n sọ́rọ́ na mẹ́fọ́ kọ́
deɛ nti ama nyanko pọ̀ tọ́ no twene yẹn no na kọ́ mọ̀ bá hantan no ẹ̀sọ́rọ́ na mẹ́rẹ́ yìí mẹ́fọ́ bá kọ́
nyankopɔn
nsoroma na tifi ne sɛ nyankopɔn wɔ fam a no akɔtra soro atifi ana ne mama konyo so ayere asi
na matra hia be folo so tifi from asas tifi ano no ho aton
what you say
na fra kwa mrunkum so bia
sanete
ma ye me ho so suru ni
na ma ye me ho so suru ni me compare nyankopɔn kako
o se mom asama ndo na wo sanya akoduru amna no ase
asama ndo ana wo sanko akoduru abanana se de yen nti na wo se nyame to no tere ho what you say
ba
atiefo bere wo ma mon kanko
kwaso atiazi
nti wo ba se computer ye ko se computer ta de nti amani abere he kan se e ho ye boro nsam bia en try so be ko
no dia
and try so be ko because edina ya dia to so no e tire ja ne se a eye nya champo ja o nya sereja nya eja de nane eyi nkuto nya adwum ja e bo nsam ja ti eja de din no na de nyansa to ho no ho de ho so bo obrafa Don't make any attempt of getting to her. A German teeth no go here. You be kai back now. Yes, you see so them say won sa in a tooth into the ama with me e ko di bone we ankrofo ne ma krofo nyinse na omo de nyinse na abortion midwife na nurse ni wutimi two abortion too because of money. When say who go fee, you end up in hellfire if you don't repent. This I want to tools into the iron. Yes, I would do this. Ebeko heaven. So the would do in some you or who offend to boom. Nabucco Tamil who could. Yabeba was here. Go second Peter. Chapter 2. Verse 4.
Verse 4. Or say nothing, Uncle Van Crab.
What's that? I cast our Tobon Sabbath to a semi. What has he? Other houses of the Orca. What's the Uncle Van Crab? Above 4 years born. Name what they soon can be a woman at a woman. Some woman who grew so on for one year at Temwa. That's a remand. On for one year, because it's a Temu Bay. Above 4 would deep on in Yankopo and Crow. How much more say president to be the bonny Yankopo? Minister be the bonny or any be the bonny Yankopo? Wabra open for Besaka. Yankopo free in your way. Above 4. To be help prophets Libya. No more ask me when Mobopa. Now no be me because I did. Yes, a prophet or default help. I'm going to tell you as well. But about some cophobia, poor the trouble thing. But me Makoma, me what me tell say Makoma. Now, hey, was it down and I say, I'm for a canon this morning. Me say, Papa, we so young for the is sorry. Be 1 Corinthians 10:2 about. Master, some fool me or caution for more. That is why most of the people speak, they talk against Christianity. And your fullest prophecy, Yamanabasa. Now, you can't do. The carry on just like a court, never bow. Yet many Pamatraha mistake you so some. How many very confused? So, is this how Christianity is? And they will never pass on. Papa was there for the time for those on the way. Go you handkerchief. Me say, oh, you cry, Tabaka say, there'll be no cry. Go you handkerchief. Anna, or they. After fun of his and crofo, a can of his and bonena, a time for a can of his and bonena money at the Musio be so we Musio or no ano so, or the good guy, a giant Yawon Rio. What about soldier? Hannah, what about so a giant? Now, there I am with a whole back also cross on the say, or the Ghana flag. Eh? Ghana police for Mutium. Money papa on transit. I don't want to find a young Timmer. I'll get to the ground. You know what Ghana has said? Yeah, pass him slash and all. I don't want to find. That's what they work at his need. I'm fine to the ground. So I cover Ghana flag. Also, the Mushuba man. Fine. I cover Ghana flag. Or the attitude ground. The guy no. Womuyo, Mama Soja pass, I saw them go. Some compound over you, or my Soja. The giant and the giant Monosoma of the Ghana flag and Abu Musana. So the handkerchief fitted your queen or no, or the fair for no prophet no home. Nana saw the message in a year. They are more bomb pipe. You do a whole bomb pipe. Who do say about someone was one? Yes. They were proof from the Bible. What the Nomia Ghana, because of the Ghana flag, or the Tachi Abuano. I don't know how to tell you in the court, I don't know how I'm found. Because some of you are coming to Zao. Young said, most of the leaders, Christian leaders, what will spoil the name of Christ. Yes. The young one was a Peter Chesekaya, a quarterback was so bam. Corphobia son. So, yes, whom Mobra, no, they keep you. Papa, what they gonna flag the boom come aboa no da ko to eja ederim aboa pono na wo boa wo muye no wo de kunu krai na body de janum mo mo san no bi jagu no so na boy so me avante me sa do ejam life so nyame ntua nyame enkoma esa natamfo dɔso ti yankopɔn nkoma no na natamfo de edai be yi betuma pamu atamfo eye be yi what does am na say First Corinthians 10 I'm try man for adi to say me wura ho so fu pa prophet mu ya eye sem First Corinthians 10 obi ho ko verse 19 so ba kai from verse 19 would in Bible name be say cause one those why you confused and you have so complete and demonic and number now the Old Testament crowd the aboaba for this I couldn't hear any more jaguars this is Bible must be the life sheep na what ne wuragem na boani su me hey mon penetra kwa no musa na ho nsem e musuo ko First Corinthians you prove from the Bible at all say demonic e baye na wodi mesma kuma sabrem yentam na mebre na ohwe nso
10 verse 19 afi me sedie sa abosom afode eye bibi
sa abosom afode eye bibi
anansa abosom ye bibi
ana abosom ye bibi dabi
nemo mese afode a wobo wobo ma
honhomone
na enye nyankopon na mempesa mo ne
honhomone enya yonkoye what the point na say we work animal sacrifice on the Old Testament na ye kunu hwe ni moja no egu pete afore bo chia no so bi o wa na repeat Israel for no nsa kokro buti do mo nan no ani ade se da bi asuti be ya adwuma no maso we no Yesu be wu ya no ukọ Hebrews 10 and Hebrews 11 no mo na dia Yesu wo no cancel sa me man when I the whole book of Hebrews a cancel sa animal sacrifice no e mo bu tentimi nyi di pakra to God saw that and what the Christ about in John chapter 1 verse 29 and you when you now pointed to Jesus say onyankopon dwan a wo yi wiase bone ko anyway oni tinye dwan na yi bone from today nye dwan yi bone Christ and be who say nyame aguama ti de fe na oguama no wo di be yi di pa bone fi ho tu pese musuo fi wo so a ya do sakra no say prophet na sakra nye dwan ti de oye na ye be yi ye demonic what are the Ghana flag ya sign? Mom friend radio stations no mra be yina no. Me ya be ya sa ha ni YouTube. Did you ha Facebook on connect. Person come on for to the makers. Aya samo. Sako fo ni bu system belan ka fan Christianity. Obi afa ya silent. Samo. Ya ni ani obe kan o mo pa ma fa enko. Some fool be cause why so so. Amaki so so no. Nipa ye confused to send the Christ something. Aya ba ye no oyam. Enye good spirit. Was abo for the awobon. That is animal sacrifice. Was this for the animal sacrifice oyam. Was no bomber fine. Bomber money. No no the Ghana flag ya cast. Into nim Ghana president and them paying for me nim papa no the person wa your mind no. I don't want for the year tema. And I want one atade. And I for them hockets no. No fa Ghana flag de catch abo bisa no wa se ne life mo musa na sem monche na pa bi ya so wa ka ja se fa na te mo musa na sem no onyi ne ho ni pa te sunsun mu ne ma se awo pre wo ta be ka di wo ma kire wa na enanye ne ho asem na mba be ka obode fo be san kwa asem am o ti ase fine yan to asunti abofo Second Peter 2 was a for one crab before. What would do one no? Was what the Asana do some can be I home I say what was Asana woman who someone from Seattle. Now prophet. You pay baby. Into Bon Samuel Casam. What in a palm for? What in a buffalo? Was the Isaiah? She said, and Casam, Yanko Castana to her. What I say? I don't know from above for so. Odoma Kugwa Samadubum, the second Peter so a record. A soon can be more sanity. Now, I'm making no. I have for you for you now. What did come to Bonimu at all? ensawie bible gye emprate masturbations ayaka ene nekas ahoko wani mu hade yawa yawa nimi nyame aya wo se me make it up that is me ye ne ye o pezo chere nyame se nyame nimu nyansa what I say Obama pu Yesu Obama rejected Messiah. They are all going to be ended up in hellfire. In hell. So Obama sakra. The chance of Obama today is to repent. What does Obama say? Because Psalm 9 verse 17. Psalm 9 verse 17. You have money for you here. If you have a chance for you, you can carry a son of the honor. Near my man, I cost war. The church of you, that's our friend of Hoya. Who's our brother? Obi for brother bag, a friend of Boga. Yes. When Nata, dear Sharon, Nisiki, Kutan, Libya, said that we, you know, as I used to have come on. A man for Obin Quabrutida, and so be free hot bar. Would Timmy Shady Pabaya now, free hot banty bonus and Brutida by a deck. You are place of the call. You come for you, you know. That's why you say, oh, near Hobay dead they are now call. What does it? Young call. The 17 Abonne for Besako Hilifa. Samabo. I'm a man who real free and Coponina. America, Italy, Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, Hawaii. I'm a man who real free and Coponina will end up in hellfire. In hell. The son of the Wako to hellfire. Abonne for Besako. Potentially for Besako. Yachim for my Mokwa, Babayaka. Sorry, Baby Chimper. Sorry, Baby for be here. Sorry, Baby Ditro. Sorry, be do young cohort, child young conan cocum. Sorry, Crofo Bank, if woman and we are banking. Uncoco, will be young coco. What are the Bahama? Did you say now and Tabo? And Tabo will be a Korean Tabo. And Tabo don't go to some Jimu. Tabo! Who do Tabo? Koshiano will be a Korea. Never be out to say useless. Let me pick up on some. Samado will be a warren here with Jan, call Arbafo. Or saying your bonnet. What does it? Who does I want to say for Echo Asamado? Yes. 1 Corinthians 6, verse 9. I want to say for Luke chapter 16, verse 18. Yamonkai. Pia obey Jan here. I call back, call Arbafo. Was this any point what is saying? I said about to a separate for Basako Hilfa. Samado. I say, Yahuna Samado. Said the home city. Said Bonsamin and Croft for the Yahuna Sabone for an echo. You come for unique account to us on the Mark 9, verse 43 and 44. Because said you should see be a Samado. It's Papa and Mamma would tell me, and yet be a Nipaco. Mr. Papa, and yet be a new pirate. Stay away from her. Yes. Don't go there. Bonnie, I could pay out to her. Will be no tussle. Opa power, and you are still sitting there. Who did you know? Who did you know? Who did the other woo? When the Kabusu will become who you see your end. What a bishop is in your baby or young son, a woman work. She can even compare that no one answer. Anati. Kai. What's it? Mark 9, verse 43. I was also so one sack, and I don't want to talk about some more. I am also the best. Can I say you said through? Yes, I would do in Sicily. Baby, yes, ever come. Since and some you want some common. So I am now, Berman, negative or Mahua. So I won't take the house. I. You was it? I said about yes. For whom I teacher stops around. Sir, I no matter. Yes, I will from my boy, baby, my that I was left. When young, I'll call him. Says I will be Jam. They're fun for you. Yo. Obanyan Safo be the Casa no. Yes. So one Sato soon to the so when never mouth, name Maham. Eto soon to the was here too. Yesterday was it to an inquiry. The yes, I would be friendly, we are friendly in other heaven. Oh, said yes, you see this cab one here. A yes, I'll be fire, how be more as we so. No one could toss our hell. As I will be who am I? Walk out young coupons. eye ma ho nkyere wo ha ekopie Yesu nsem se ne sa wo ho be towa na be end up in hell kako
say na so
verse 44
eyama verse 44
yes
yeah wona bua no mu
na verse 43 hobi
o se na sa won sa tu suntu
du ya twa
eyama wo sa wo de ba
so wo de nsase ne be kon
sa won nsam yi
so won nsam yi
na be kwa mane hunu
ko
ja ennum
dem
yeah wona bua no mu
ye wona bua emu o se Yesu si describe ade apemmo bi wo o be say kefu mumwa
yes
akese paaw ene pa o se nena me kan so dem
yes
anadu tu me started say me bompire niema nyankopɔ bi so kyerɛ me bushafo na asɛm me kan nyɛ sɛ bia me da ya bi na ma so na me ka kyerɛ o se me come with quotations
yes
the true proof from the Bible kyerɛ wade me mpɛ me ka da ya no ha na me ya me bia me kasa me se minim die nyame ayɛ wo bi so akyerɛ me nyɛ da ya ho asɛm na me ka Bible no ba me de compare Bible no I see say nyame no pɛ so kan kyerɛ so me fa bi me trouble nti yanya no nko minim subsequent bere bi atwa mu previous minim die ma nyame atwitwa akyerɛ me ba bi ani pɛ kɔnye ti misre di pamfa nyansa tena me ka se nyansa ne sɛ wo sa asɛm sɛ yi bɛto no adɔgye na anyawo the woman pa di se kutawo presidential certificate parliamentary certificate MP certificate ahemfo certificate ahodoɔ nyinaa kutawo na se wani ato wo nyansa ne papa ko to saa masama adɔwa wakata do sabisi wakato say you are the most foolish person
yes
what is that for papa wakata wana be kawo
obi nkanjiro obi nkawa be
cause when you opportunity no years upon years but now the diako you were joking with your salvation ubu say Yesu obe wu enkwasi asam de bawo Yesu so for so say so no so na boni padua no so kwa di sabo o si mi gina wa kuma chi ameye ni bom na nko mfa force me bu nka mo no nwura ya humble man papa hunu de oso ye wate sansi me 43 so bi na me tam na nso me nyi
na sa won sa tu
suntu dia cha
ma o sa wo de ba
komu sa wo de sesini e ba kom fene sa
won sam yi na be kwa mani hunu kuro oja
enyere pese de o si describe no eja ennum da in fact eja bi koso ho a when the hell fire e hell no remand no hell no tu nyan ko hell fire yenya ni wase da ho kakra ti years ko ise Yesu beba pasa asero ho enti eja ennum da enkoduru brebi maso abofo Gabriel mefa adoma meta kasa asengui kan hell fire break won quarter 10 minutes mun sabedem eja enyede ennum da ede ba bia wo na boa so nyeden enwuo eja di nkom moa no wo kira me huna mane sa do ede sikari kokoduru ho a Luke 6 ho verse 24 wo se me huna mane wo hene fa o jafna mayimu flame of fire we remand no o da ho kakra o nyan ko hair fire masa se me hu obi odi bone a na me wira ho e di dia me hu di ho se me ka kire sa nipa o se me di Yesu ma no o pu Yesu ana ya me ya me kwa na ma di ni di se papa we ti okuta nyansa de Yesu na yese som no ye nka ase som no onye wo dai o wo di kola sa ba bisi wo ba je wo interest
dabi
na de asama do ko di wa som ne wo ko asama do ni wa untra ban
nyam ko ko be
ti asami yo emwa no te sa tefu wo so pa te tefu mo nti kra ne da ho a ye hu na mane no wo bu nam kra num ne gya no so nam na wo ti pains no wo ti ya no e ho ni Yesu describe no say baby a osu ene se twere yere Matthew 25 verse 30 ni pa popla boy no mo se no e o se twere ka se asante kasam obi twere ne se de se ni tifa so kekiao na brama fo bobra boy kekiao na toa na abonsa fo abofo do agent no fallen agents no angels no 2 Peter 2 verse 4 e kan no I said they are just throwing people souls no no so for two on say every day in and day of nipa people die.
Yes.
Yeah, keke get a second keke when it comes to an so na koduru the asari na di padua na da hade yesiri ho pede ne ko hefridi ye be na yi e wosi etamoni mahunu ye de ko sefo na so ne sofa keke oduru ha many people na bronsam ne agents no because the bronsam after this of why na this obe say nyame abode nyame abode bi a watra obe say no etu ye ni papa na say wo hu kra pa wo no hell wa no da no wo hu no kra wo kwa eh wa bo ano o se nyame bo ni pa say ne so ni so ban so na say ne wo say ni pa na ko pie bronsam ahinie mo hell ho no hey ya tubu good it is ni pursue Matthew 25 verse 30.
Matthew 25 verse 30. Na kwa ne hunim fa so.
Kwa ne hunim fa so.
Mo fa no kotono
nti etiri sum no.
Ehwo na osu
ene sechere yewo. Etiri sum no. Ehwo na osu ene sechere yewo. Ni pesu puei yewo puei ye de ni beto ho ni enimo ewuade puei na obo se no tikrao we gina tira you hear it. But I said, oh, who have the Hunipa Mobawati. And next, let's a fire be called to a town. Let him Jamaica town, let's have them out to a jaw. I don't come on, man. Joseph, one minute. Janay. No, people wouldn't be working. But also a guy who faint in Marple. To also quite. Did you? Maybe an also. The mere man out to Sunday. The Baba Twasso. Good. The Baba can't come. Yamisha. The person didn't pan landy baby. A samado. Yenny animals for Miss Ramo. Mumma preach you know the Sam, and fast samado. Many people who are married. Also for years, also now may catch us on the man. Said my whole home himself will be a mood. Ha! Demons! And you go. So, a jano. The idea be atoso e tire jane hia eye to ati ase tire jane hia eye nyango pon sia mani pawo ni pabia for the mabon sam any the fallen angels now the cat of some fallen angels na masa obunye giant very powerful angels, very wicked angels. Maybe who said the message about Bible class you? Very dangerous angels. 2 Peter 2 verse 4. Yeah, above 4, one crab of 4. Yeah, we are born. Now, what Doma best say, Suka be more some of the Homebia teacher of Gusu, so I'm trying to see a table. Sab of 4. Ha, but who is the Krobaya? Ya would put the sunny way of trouble for you. Who could tell about for me say, whoa? I mean, who did you should describe as a honey soon again? Cherry war. The boo heavy. Conform Papa no sikani ko do o se me huna mani o jafra mayi. Me huna mani o jafra mayi. To ka se wiase da hokwa. Ebi no tini show asamado. Ha! Ko yanko ha. Ye helfo ko fo mutimu no. The inheritance, the woman mutiti asamado ho. Nti make mistake nko. What I say? You kunu de yo de oyere de yo. Pains no nya yansana asamado de na kushia. Somebody kaka is a nyeni padia. Because 2 Peter chapter 2 verse 4.
2 Peter chapter 2.
They make mistake in ko. Say ke ni padia ko bia nkanya me de homo bro kaka dere. E beto ho. But with this anya mabonsam. That's a woody power mistake ko obia. Ko. Ya wen ko fo ayo obodia.
What say? Na so ankra na se nyankopa ankra bofo
a oye bon no nemu wode sum ka bi homa akekere ho egu asama amani hunu buru so won what ya say on krofo egu ho abofo oye bon no fallen angels o mai bo ya ba ku dina ho very giant he de ne yɛmfa ntoto no ti obu gu sa amu ne gu asama do Matthew 25 verse 41 asama do yɛ ho ade a bonya bonsam jam yɛ kan o ɛyɛ hair no wonya nkɔ bonsam gye Matthew was in Bia, it all talk with some Matthew 25 41.
What's it? No, because I know because I want to obey.
So say, Mamma, what's yes, I'm open something. Da, what's yes, Yama, obon some and in a buffalo. What's yes, Yama, obon some and in a buffalo. What's yes, Yama, obon some and in a buffalo. There should be soup and bonity. One person who shamble something above. Na bofo no dwumadi eno mu suban ye kro no dwaman ni se yigo bible je entokako aware se eni sa mu suban boni vi no nema basa that is somebody nim woman brabo say they are trying to portray kind of suban bia ebema nipa ye boni wo ye bon sam dia wo fa sa suban bia adini bia wo a wo pese wo be wo bia boni bia no e demonic. It is uncle for you now. Yes, to be cancer, Bonko, Bonsam Suba and Modernity. Man says, Jana Mamo, Medima Bonsam. That's I feel Bonsam the Subai and a modern Didia and a Monko Cano. It would tell you simple. Papa, Miss Sarah, let me start, Uncle. You're fasting in Carly, Uncle. Luke chapter 16, verse 22 to 31. Chapter 16, verse 22. Read the brother from Eba. When you run a hoyan cop, a so yen now above the Quabre. Nipabia, Mr. Dacodo. You will see all soon tell him. I know the phone or the phone who was here. No man in Sua, some other. I know when you never have a teaching and loves us or train cook. Tiamus, Jabra, who be Bobo. That's super Lazarus, my name is Satiano, and no, and go to I'm to be touched. Let me win money with that. Ni huna mame ma free V8 ne no sa orthopedic mattress dum free air condition cars air condition rooms dum ma free parliament house one free one me huna mame
ojaframa yi
Pato so kakaba me
but Abraham say
aba I saw tiasia unya hoto
Lazarus so de
wa hu nto no wan fa mpa ruade a kira kwa Lazarus amani hu no de so Yesu
na fe
and on the rat na wonso huna mane
na yenya na nche
ku kase da ene muntam
one person free aba
obi timi free hell ema paradiso obi timi free paradiso onko hell ho ku kase dem tidi Yesu be ye kire toso say na wo ko hell fa Yesu so ebra paradise what I say that's heaven what the point is e ku kase dem you can jump you can fly pero wa class anu no valley no e ku na dem no kaisi yentam
na wona one
wo fias mo hell hontimi mma paradise wo say
eni
aja Abraham suma
no na
Lazarus mane ko meja fie ho
wo mi amerma no ba nan
papa wutie me bia na wo ye num ba ko
yes mi amerma no ba num
what I say bia na wo ye num ba ko wo ye MC wedi wo ye one minister of education director bia na wo ye num ba ko one transfer and plan one say life yi abe end you up in hellfire the born na wo di wo adwuma num no edi ko pia samado bia na wo ye num amerma num ba ko fasu obanyansa fo obu ba ate yan na say ya me aduma na option say na meto aso afofo mo pretty ha ma nipa hu ho ade bonyefo awie bone e wudi ni fanyansa to ho emu se jimi fo wate enkoto sa bia be kan fo Yesu ma wate fano papa na ba e ta krebe sorry bet na ba wie papa na ba wo so ba me ncha kan bone kire me jimi na so me wa kwa e bone bi se me mfa moja me moja ni nwara ma dwara wa kwa e bone bi ma maje we wuntimi nya dia and you are heading towards hell what me da wase kwa na mo adom so do wasema mai bi ni pani wate na ni pansua de yen hye nya sanso so yankoto amani hu bi ase do ase otie ni Yesu timunti amen